Click on Forgot Password. Next, input your username, email address, and get a new password. A temporary password will be sent to your linked and authorized email address. Copy the temporary password from the message and return to the login screen. Paste the temporary password into the field and click Login. Answer the security question and click Continue. An authentication code is required when you reset your password. Click on Send Code Now. Retrieve the authentication code from your email inbox and copy and paste it into the empty field. Click Continue. Enter the temporary password emailed to you in the current password field. Create a new password according to the listed strong password characteristics and click Submit. We hope this tutorial was beneficial. However, if you need further assistance, please call us at 866-256-0624 or select the live chat from your account dashboard.
Now that's validation.